Travel hairdryer. This dryer features a folding handle for compact storage, making it easy to pack in a suitcase or carry-on bag or store in a drawer. With dual voltage, it's perfect for worldwide travel. Compact portable design. Backed by 1,875 watts of drying power, dual voltage and an ergonomic folding handle, this compact, lightweight and portable hairdryer is ready to join you on your journey. Versatile styling. With 2 heat and 2 speed settings, this blow dryer was created for all hair types, and it features a cool shot button to help lock curls, waves and styles in place. Leader in hair dryers. From traditional bonnets to high-tech dryers equipped with cutting-edge technology, Conair has a great selection of hair dryers for every hair type and every hairstyle. Conair Hair Care. Since 1959, we have made innovative small appliances, hair styling tools, and more. Our hair care line includes high-quality hair dryers, brushes, styling tools, and hair accessories. The Conair 1875-watt compact hairdryer with folding handle is compact and lightweight for easy and convenient travel. Featuring great style on the go with this small but strong Conair travel hairdryer. Backed by 1,875 watts of hair-drying power, dual voltage and an ergonomic folding handle, this compact, lightweight and portable hairdryer is ready to join you on your journey. Easy to pack, easy to store. This Conair 1875 hairdryer even features dual voltage for travel around the world. With 2 heat and speed settings, this blow dryer was created for all hair types, and the cool shot button helps lock curls, waves and style in place. Top reviews from the United States. Great hairdryer. So many hairdryers to choose from, but I happened to pick the right one. Great value and great drying power.